What is money anyway? Let's dive in. Could Bitcoin actually replace the money we use every day? To answer that, we need to know what money really is. Money isn't just paper or numbers, it has three main jobs. First, it's a store of value. You can save it, and it'll still be worth something later. Second, it's a medium of exchange. You can use it to buy things easily. Third, it's a unit of account. It lets us price and compare goods. For Bitcoin to replace money, it must do all three jobs well. So, does Bitcoin hold its value, work for daily spending, and help us price things? Let's break down each function and see how Bitcoin measures up. It's not just about hype, it's about real-world use. Here's where Bitcoin shines and where it still struggles. Bitcoin is often called digital gold for a reason. Like gold, it's scarce. Only 21 million will ever exist. No one can print more, so it's protected from inflation. It's decentralized, meaning no single authority controls it. You can send it anywhere in the world instantly. Many people use Bitcoin as a long-term savings tool, betting its value will rise. But there's a catch. Bitcoin's price swings wildly. One day it's up 10%, the next it's down 15%. That volatility makes it risky for short-term savings, even if it's strong for long-term holding. So, as a store of value, Bitcoin is powerful, but not perfect. Using Bitcoin for daily purchases is tough. Transactions can take minutes, not seconds, impractical for buying coffee. Fees can be high, sometimes more than the item you're buying. Most stores don't accept Bitcoin, so it's not widely usable. The Lightning Network aims to fix this, making transactions faster and cheaper. But it's still early days, and adoption is limited. For now, Bitcoin isn't as convenient as cash or cards. It faces a chicken and egg problem. Stores won't accept it until more people use it, and vice versa. Until it's faster, cheaper, and more accepted, Bitcoin won't replace money for everyday spending. The technology is promising, but it's not there yet. Daily use remains a challenge. The last job of money is being a unit of account. We price everything in dollars, not Bitcoin. Most people can't quickly judge the value of 0.075 BTC. Bitcoin's price changes so much it's hard to use as a stable measure. Until its value stabilizes, people will keep thinking in dollars. For Bitcoin to become our main yardstick, the world would need to agree to price things in it. That's a huge shift, and we're nowhere close. Right now, Bitcoin acts more like an asset than a currency. The dollar remains our standard for value. So, can Bitcoin replace money in 2025? Not yet. It's a strong store of value like digital gold and a revolutionary asset. But as a medium of exchange and unit of account, it still faces big hurdles. Volatility and limited acceptance hold it back from daily use. Instead of replacing the dollar, Bitcoin may coexist as a global savings tool. The future is uncertain, but Bitcoin is here to stay. It's changing how we think about money, even if it's not replacing it, yet. The next decade will decide its ultimate role.